Meet the Kiwibird Sonic Electric Toothbrush, where smart technology meets perfect oral care. Developed in China with professional dentists, Kiwibird uses advanced sonic technology, delivering up to 42,000 vibrations per minute to remove plaque, stains, and bacteria with ease. Choose from multiple brushing modes: clean, white, gum care, and more, with up to 15 custom combinations for your ideal brushing experience. A built-in 2-minute smart timer and quad pacer guide you to brush evenly, while the pressure sensor protects your gums and enamel from brushing too hard. Powered by a long-lasting battery that runs up to 300 days on one full charge, and built with IPX7 waterproof protection, you can even brush in the shower. Sleek, smart, and dentist-approved, Kiwibird is redefining how clean feels.